7 WhatsApp settings you need to know right now. 7. Hide WhatsApp profile photo. Previously, you can only hide your WhatsApp status, but now you can also hide your WhatsApp profile photo from specific person. For that, go to the option settings. Now go to the option privacy. Here you can see different options. Go to the option profile photo. Now you can set it to my contacts or everyone, or you can select this specific person by choosing this option of my contacts except. Tap on it and then select the person whom you want to hide your profile photo and then set it to done. 6. Send disappearing message. For that, go back. Here you can see different options. You can see this option of disappearing messages as well. Now here you can see this option default message timer. Open it. Now you can set the timer to 7 days, 24 hours or 90 days. Here I will be setting it to 24 hours. After you have selected the time, you can select the person. Here tap on this option by selecting them. Now choose the person and then tap on apply. In this way you can set disappearing message in your WhatsApp. 5. Avoid being added to group chat. For that, go back. You can see this option of groups. Open it. Now here you have to set it to my contacts. 4. Reply group messages privately. Go to any of the group. Open it. Now select the chat that you want to reply privately. Just long press on it. You can see this option of more. Tap on it. Now here you can see this option of reply privately. Tap on it. Now here you can just type your private message and send it. 3. Use multiple WhatsApp accounts at once. If you want to use 2 WhatsApp numbers in your phone but you don't know how to do it, then you have to download this WhatsApp business app. You can get this app easily from your Play Store or App Store. You just have to download it and then you have to put your number and it is ready to go. 2. Set two-factor authentication. Go to the option settings. Now tap on this option account. Here you can see this option of two-step verification. Open it. For the security purpose, you have to enable this. Now tap on enable. Now here you have to set the 6-digit PIN which you will be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp. Again, you have to confirm your PIN. Also, you have to enter your email address if you want to, or also you can skip this process. Here I will be tapping on skip. In this way, you can enable two-step verification. 1. Secure WhatsApp with FingerPrint or FaceLock. For that, go to the option account. Now here you can see this option of privacy. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option of screen lock. Open it. Here you can find the option of require Face ID or fingerprint. For some phone you can find the option of fingerprint, and for some Face ID. Here I have the option of require Face ID. You have to enable it and your notifications of WhatsApp message will be only open when you just put that fingerprint or use Face ID. I hope you find this video helpful. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.